Okay, now let's create this copyright section. So let's start. First I go to the footer and let's create a new container, and in this container we have to change the color. The color is the color that we have the above section, so we can easily go to style, on color, select the color using our global colors, and here let's find out the size. The height is 64. Actually we can make the height using this text, and for now let's add this white border. Let's find out the border details. So stroke is 1 pixel, so let's go here and we can easily search here like HR. Yeah, we have divider, so just put it like this, and on style the color should be white color and gap should be 0. Okay, now we just add the divider, and now we have to add this text. So copy the text and go to main footer and click here to add the headline. Just add headline like this. Did it add it? Let's add the headline text here and drag and drop in this container like this. Okay, and on style change it to, I think the size is button size, secondary. So let's see. Yeah, the size is button size. Here it should be medium, right? Yes, medium 20. Okay, all good. And now what we have to do is add some spacing. So the spacing is 20 by 20, right? Yep, it's 20 by 20. So on the headline, go to advanced. On advanced, top padding should be 20 and the bottom padding should be 20 like this. Okay, then what we have to do is add the text. So here we have to add the current year. So to add it, we can just go to here, and on the dynamic tag we can get the current date. So let's see the current date. Here we have current date time, so select it, and date format will be, let's see the date format. Date format is okay, but we only need the date, we only need the year. So let's see, we have setting to get only the year. On custom, okay, on custom we can just add this y and remove the rest of details like this. Okay, now on advanced, on before, we can add this copyright part. So just only add the copyright at, then after will be the rest of the after will be the rest of the details like this. Okay, here we should have a space. Okay, all good. And now I click on publish to publish the design, and now if we see it in the real design, it will look like this. And here we have a issue, the icons are too big, so let's fix that. Click here, and on size let's make them bit small, like 45, and make padding 4, and the spacing is 12. Okay, and now it's look good, and click on publish. Okay, we just designed the whole homepage section, and now what we have to do is add the animation and make this design mobile friendly, and then we have to do the next lessons.